WhatsApp Cloud API Setup. Business Profile Information. As part of the WhatsApp Cloud API Setup, you have the option to enhance your business profile with key details that are visible to your end customers. You can add the following information. About, a short description or tagline about your business. Address, your physical business location, optional. Email, a contact email customers can reach out to. Profile picture, your brand logo or business image. Website, link to your official website. Industry, your business category or sector. These details will appear in the business profile section of your WhatsApp number and help build trust and transparency.